Hello everyone, what is going on? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix the zooming problem on the Snapchat app. So let's get right in. First of all, you have to check if your Snapchat app is updated. So I'm right here on the Play Store on my phone. So what we need to do first is go ahead and click on update if you haven't updated it in a while. Once that it's done, what you have to do is, of course, go ahead and open the app. Then, if this hasn't fixed your problem, the zooming problem in the Snapchat app, what you need to do next is go ahead and tap on the top left corner of the screen on your sticker, and then on the settings, and then go ahead and click on lenses. What you need to do here is clear local lens data and clear all lanes data. After you've done that, your problem should be fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Till next time, have a great day.